area report. Report your area matter the way they do you, right?
I get my own area report now
Yes.
about banks.
Yes.
Okay.
This bank issue.
Yeah.
Because it don't happen 2 times now. I remember when I travel go Benin.
Yeah.
One withdraw money, we withdraw money from ATM.
Mm.
Take 500 days. I want to pay the people them. They say I fake 500. My brother need to pay. They say I just go withdraw this money now. They say how ATM will vomit fake 500. And yesterday for Access Bank for Alaba here,
For
for
Alaba.
me bus stop. Yes, Access Bank. My neighbor go withdraw money.
Yeah.
Carton day inside. She needs to go. They can't call her. Can't go there like they talk to her.
I beg you, come again. We know that Carton. The
Yes.
ATM for me Carton.
Yes.
The ATM for me Carton.
Yes. Yes. Carton.
ATM.
Make I call her. Mommy Fishe, Carton day inside the
ATM
money.
for meat Carton.
Yes.
Where supposed to bring money? He called them
Yes,
vomit
for-
carton.
Yes.
Give the woman the phone. Give her the phone. Give her
Access
the
Bank for
phone.
Alaba.
Give her the phone.
Voco.
Yes.
She did there.
It happen, and this is the second time.
Wetin
Woman
you
dey
no
there.
go see
The
for
real
this
person
gate?
the thing happen to.
Eh.
Make I give her
Give
for
her the
Access
phone,
Bank
make
for
we
Alaba.
ask her.
Voco.
Give her.
Hello, good morning.
Madam, morning to you. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, I beg you, tell us what happened. True.
I went to bank on Friday in the morning around this time to withdraw from the ATM since they've not opened.
Yeah.
So once I put my ATM machine, ATM card
Yeah.
to withdraw,
Uh,
the money came out first time. Second time, the third one that came out with a carton.
I bet wait to not vessel. You say not vessel. I bet tell us in details. How much come out with carton, and which and
1,000 naira.
and which denomination?
Is 1,000 naira denomination. I withdrew 40,000.
Okay, so the third one
Yes.
only 1,000 naira note and carton come outside.
Yes.
How the carton be? They cut the carton like money. I
They
mean
cut
pieces.
the carton like money. Half of it is 1,000 naira. Half of it is the carton.
How many carton? Only one. I mean a
Lagos.
carton.
Only one was inside the money.
Lagos.
So as the money come outside now, how much cut day instead of plus the carton? How much you type inside now? 10,000. The carton come outside. Come become 9,000. I've been away.
No, I start 40,000 because their
Okay.
machine can bring out 40 at once.
So okay. So how much real money come outside?
39.
Okay. The one the
Oh, it-
the other the 10,000.
Access Bank.
For where?
Access Bank
So
at Alaba
wetin
Tony
go
bus
happen?
stop.
Wetin you call the when you call discover that one?
I can't go the bank say see wetin una machine give me o. They say na lie, say no be machine. I said I cannot lie because of 1,000. I withdraw 150. I will not lie because of 1,000. They said okay, I should write my account number. They will make investigation on it.
investigate
Okay.
for carton.
Wait, to make I ask you,
Hey.
madam. Now, as soon as the thing come outside,
Now
now
you go
you go
meet
the
them.
bank. I been a later.
They never opened that time.
Okay,
so I went back
No,
immediately.
madam, you do mistake.
When
You
You
for
do mistake.
pen.
See, as the thing come, they get security men for them.
Yes,
I told
Exactly.
the security man, at that time he make I come back, so they never opened because I was going to work that morning.
You for snap and jejeje, madam. At that point, what we going because they go fit argue ramu. So at that point, as he come outside there, you go first snap and
Do video.
Then you go do video as you they talk to the security men. They show them. And what did the security men they talk? So that by the time you go back when the bank door open, when you enter, see the manager or see who did there, then you go show them because now David deny am. So now what will be the position of things now?
Yes, yesterday I went back yesterday. After their investigation, they noticed it was true.
Okay.
They did not argue with me. They
Okay.
gave me the money.
They give you the 1,000 naira.
Yes.
You know why? Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much, You know why? Because these days, many things don't they happen for banks. Yes, una need to be very careful.
Okay,
The reports when we they see now, many bank employee, their brain, no as country hard now. Human beings still they work for all these bank. So as they affect them for country, now so they be. You need to be careful about the details when we say you they drop. Now so yesterday somebody when we say call from one of the banks when we say I get bros. They ask me my personal details again. I can't say remind me. Why be say you call me and where you call me from? Because I get bank account officer. So not be the person supposed to come, they ask me for all those kind of things. And you know what happened? The person backtrack. He backtrack. If you want some coded things, probably say, if you be say you drop another, all those your BVN and something. And if you be say now you be my bank person and now you know my account reach that level, you're not supposed to ask me all those kind of coded things. You know what happened? I call my bank officer for that account. Now you can't tell me say they not get any directive. Say the person they want give me the person say okay they want do that because they shift the account from one to the other. So now you can say no, say not be like that. So say if anything like that won't happen, say now you supposed to run them. Now say come, I know say now you supposed to get my direct detail.
You not tell
so,
the colleague name.
Wait now. I say see, make I just clear you now. Anything will happen, call off now. I be worry woman no, na Lagos I do, but na worry I be. I know your motto, I know your color of motto. I go come bust something for them. Make I just and balance is not allowed though. But me I tell her, I stress my way. I say see, if any of una they give my detail, they work out and down because una don't they craze now. I go come boss somebody, you know go run commot. I know where you there. I go boss Sam. I go collect my money. Una need to be careful now with all these banks. Because people when they inside ATM, one day now, firework go come out from inside ATM machine. You go put your ATM card. You see feather.
You say they cut
like money. So they get people for inside this bank now where they do fraudery. I mean, you not see this story. Internal gist when we say come for bank when we say the company was supposed to maintain their maintenance, the development company.
Sure.
He can't do and so that they collect 15,000 naira from certain account. Now, they're not going to put up for him this thing. No. In fact, now one call that meeting when I go now know this story. This happened last month.
Sure.
They don't even mention the name of the bank. So I'm not going to mention the name of the bank. Big bank, major bank. Their developer collect 15,000 naira from many accounts clean. That's why they say your money they withdraw. You just see withdraw. You know they understand what they happen. So you need to be very careful with all these banks. As they happen, as far as
sharply.
Do video.
Document time, not waste time, not say later. You they go deny them. You know go get what you go because
you know why they not go drag that woman because they know say natural. And if the woman in a normal society, she woman suck.
You know that's
they're supposed to sue somebody.
You know that
and scatter somebody.
And the woman come my get lost in like 1K for and they really give them back. So for you might not be lucky. Document time sharply. Document time. Do video, snap picture on the spot.
You do transfer.
Now say later, say
and 5K go come out from your money, come out plus the transfer. And you go there ask where that money take from.
Not quiet.
No,
go
not
quiet.
Go
as they say, I manage you. Go there because the kind banks have a blessing that they like strong things. No one that people they go back, they go naked. And that's me. You know see that girl.
You know see that girl. When they say go, wake up. She got the scatter everywhere. If they fly to place say 150K.
I'm not saying you go naked though, but you know that if you just go, just make a call for me now. I cannot go naked.
No, I don't see people naked. We not they fear naked. Our ancestor will be not be to naked. Everybody get body now.
Okay, if she can naked, me I know I not go feel naked though. If you say I don't know whether you get you live at to be naked. If you can naked, no problem.
This will come to say yes, Ora and Chief. He said this money matter. It happened to me for UBO. Yes, for Unko. Nkpo for Anambra State. He said they put 200 naira instead of 1,000. Yes, this will cause say not be lie you for this same branch when that woman talk for that bank. Yeah. So he said me I withdraw fake 1,000. Fake 1,000. Wala be like bicycle. This was say my name na Mrs. Shuku for Carton. It's Oga na true. My neighbor withdraw 20,000. He see 200 naira when they shook inside 5 inside. The 1,000 naira note. I told her say something they happen for this country. People don't they lose their oyibo go say na moral fiber. The cocoa use you they do. This one a new denomination. Carton currency. This bro say yo you be Carton.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chuk